I think my problem is I just keep overthinking when I find something and then I start overthinking it, thinking, oh, maybe that's not the one, and then try and find something else, and I just seem to keep going in a big circle.
Mm.
But I think I might have narrowed it down last night to a couple of niches, which I'm gonna do a little bit further research into. But my only trouble is with them ones, I couldn't really find many new competitors which have got much over 30 to 40,000 views anyway.
Mm.
So, but I've looked at their videos and their thumbnails and they're not actually that good. So it could be they're not doing it right with that,
Mm.
or but there is bigger channels which are getting quite a good few views from. So it might be worth just having sorry, another double check at it and
Yeah.
tonight and see where it goes.
Yeah. Yeah, like finding new channels that get good views is a very good indication, right? But it's not like all
Yeah,
deciding. If you find some bigger channels in a niche and you think you can improve on their thumbnails and titles, definitely give it a shot, right?
yeah, definitely.
In the end, like just make your research sheet, come up with some ideas, and just pick the one that makes the most sense. And you never know if it's going to be like a winner or not, right? Until you test it. Even
Yeah,
if you
true.
copy another channel that is working, like yours might not hit the algorithm for some reason. So just take it step by step. Like you never know if it's going to work or not. So just make a strategy to test your niche, your channel, like 15 videos, make a particular style for your thumbnail and title, and just go with it and see how the views progress, right?
Yeah, I think what I might do this time, I might start off with like 4 to 5 minute videos and
Mm-hmm.
test the water that way.
Yeah.
What's
So
your
you can
thoughts on
test
that?
quicker and cheaper, basically.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that can definitely be yeah, worth it, like because you don't make money from the channel anyway, right? So you
No,
can test
exactly.
the demand for the topic, see how it looks, see if people watch it, and then always go long form if you want afterwards.
Yeah. So it doesn't really affect it that much if I switch over to an 8 minute
Yeah.
video as
Like
opposed to.
I do recommend usually, so I don't want to be like contradicting myself. So I do usually recommend to, like, if you choose your video strategy, like either pick 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes videos for all your videos that you do. But
Yeah.
it's not set in stone that it's illegal to start with shorter videos and then if it works, move on to longer videos. You can just do that and see if it works too.
Yeah. No, that's cool. Thank you.
Yeah. All right, guys. If Kiva says, I can't wait to launch a channel so that I can contribute more to the conversation. Yeah. Yeah. Just keep watching the course, Kiva. It's really about getting the fundamentals right because the niche research is usually the biggest task to do. Like all other things after that come the niche research is the creative part, right? You need to do the research, you need to find what works, what doesn't work, why it works, what you want to do with it. Once you have your niche picked, like doing channel art and the SEO is just the research analyzing, and that's done quickly. And then the team hiring is also just copy paste the templates I have in the course, use them in Upwork and Fiverr, and then you just get the job post and you can start making videos. But for the niche, you really have to put in the hours, put in the work, and just like Aiden just said, like it can be overwhelming. But just got to go step by step, see what works and doesn't work, and then you will find something for sure. Um, okay, guys. If we have no